Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap Ring Chronicles. Today we're coming back at you with another Ratchet video. Okay, this might look a little bit familiar. I did a short and I did a video a while back on these style of Craftsman ratchets. The quick clean, quick release ratchet. This is like version 2 of that. This isn't quite the same as those videos I did. This is slightly a different variation, I guess you can call it. This one is the 43582 ratchet. This is a 3/8 ratchet. But before we jump into it, if you can do me a big favor, I'm trying to reach a goal of 2,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. And the only way I can reach that goal is if you guys help me out and give me the HBO special. What's the HBO special? The HBO special is the Help a Brother Out special. So help this brother out and hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. And I'll give you 2 seconds to do that. Okay, you guys that help me out, I really appreciate you. Getting back to this. Okay, this is, I'm going to say this is the second version because usually things, for lack of a better words, things go downhill. Usually they don't get better. This is the half-inch version of the first version, the half-inch ratchet of the first original version. I'm gonna say that I think the differences, the tops are the same. This one is a little bit more rare, I think. I think this one was out a little bit less. This one you can find, and it demands a little bit of a premium, but I think this one demands more of a premium, I guess because of its rarity or whatever. But the way you distinguish these two ratchet sets is that this one has rings. This one has rings cut out on the handle. You see there's a ring at the end, 2 rings here. There are no rings on the original one. And obviously the numbers. The numbers, this set is 4377. The half-inch is 3, the 3/8 is 2, and the 1/4 inch ratchet is 1. So it goes 732, no, 737, 4377, either 3, 2, or 1. This one, the number range is 4358, either 3, 2, or 1. So this is the 3/8 version, so it's the 2. I think the half-inch version would be 3, and the 1/4 inch would be 1. So they have different model numbers. And this one has 2 thumb wheels. Another difference. This one doesn't have the bottom thumb wheel, and that's really not a thumb wheel, and I'm going to show you right now in a second. Remember this one? This was the quick clean, quick release, and the gimmick was that it's quick release when you push it to a point, but then when you push it all the way down real hard, it kind of stays down, and it's able to be quick released out of the mechanism comes out of the housing or head with no tools. And that's because when you press down on this ring here at the edge, that black ring, contracts. And it contracts and it's able, it rides in that groove in there on the edge, that groove, and it contracts and you're able to pull it out with no tools. Okay, what happened here is I guess that was too complicated, maybe too expensive. So what they did here was they put this little thumb wheel, and it rotates, and you rotate it until the opening matches with this flat round. So you rotate it until the thumb wheel also matches the flat round, and you can take it out like that, and then you're able to take out the mechanism. And the wheel is kind of held in place by There's little indents on the opposite side. There are little indents there. They kind of correspond with these little ball detents on the side here. They kind of hold it in place and provide some friction. You hear it clicking? So it won't just, I guess, it won't unscrew and turn on its own. So it kind of holds it in place a little bit, but it's not really tight or anything. And on the inside, you can see they omitted that black ring. This one here, it's not here. They omitted that whole thing. And instead, they just used this ring as the quick clean feature, I'm gonna say. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as this mechanism. You see the back, there's like a heart spring that rides in the middle, and there's like kind of a FACOM style of a mechanism where the pole rides this flat area, and when you switch it, it goes from side to side on that flat area there. This one also does the same. You switch it, it rides the swing, the spring, switches it from side to side on this flat area. And this one has a ball detent on the top. Here, this one doesn't, but this one has a ball detent on the side. I have one, have one on the side, kind of on the left side. If the switch is facing out on the left side, there's a ball detent there on the side. This one has it on top here, and that's about it. And it also has, this one has like a little plunger there. I think this helps or something. It pops out when you push that in, and I guess you push it back in there, and it pops out the switch. So now you see the ring. The ring has come out a bit, and that's how it hooks into that cutout there. So that black ring hooks in, and let me see if I push it in, if you see it go back in. You see? It's not. But did you see it retract, the black ring, when I pushed it in? Yeah, there. See how it's retracted. For some reason, it's not staying. Oh, there we go. Now it's caught. You see how flat the ring is now, and that's when you can take it out. But yeah, kind of a simplification of that mechanism, which was kind of a gimmicky mechanism, if I was to be honest. But this one, it was like, I guess that was too expensive, and they were like, let's try this. This is simpler, it's cheaper probably to make, I'm sure. Then just omit the ring and put this little flat thumb wheel to hold the mechanism in place. And I guess it was at the end of the run where they were like, it's too expensive to make that, let's make this cheaper. And that's not selling too well either, so we'll see if this helps. And it probably didn't help, because I don't think this lasted very long also. But to put this back together, pretty simple. You see the cutout there, I guess that's where the switch lies. But it'd probably be best if you center the pawl like that. Then you drop it in like that. You take your thumb wheel, ring, retainer, what have you. You put it to where it corresponds to the flats on the side and the round. So you will put it like that, flats and flats on the side and round, and just press it down a little bit and give it a twist until the ball catches. You hear that detent clicked in, and that's pretty much it. And there you have it. Yeah, like I said, kind of a gimmick Ratchet to start with. I would assume didn't last long. Maybe, I'm not sure how long these lasted. Maybe 5 years, starting with this one, and then probably less with this one. This one's, like I said, seems to demand a little bit more of a premium than that one, because I think this one is maybe more rare because it didn't last that long. That one probably lasted a few years. This one probably lasted less. And they did away with these. Kind of a neat idea where you have a mechanism where you can just remove the mechanism from the ratchet like this with just just one button, and you can take it out. Kind of a neat idea. Not sure where these were made. Another thing, kind of a weird thing happened that I saw. From what I understand, these are not made in the USA, but I did see a package. One of these was, I saw a picture of the original packaging for this one, and it doesn't say any USA or anything on it. It just says patent pending, Craftsman. But on the packaging, it did say made in USA. So I don't know if that was just advertising or what the deal is, but I do remember seeing that definitely the packaging on this model did say made in USA. But from what I heard in reality, these were made probably not in USA, probably in Taiwan. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. Until next time.